Completed in 2005 and officially opened to the public for free on December 28, 2006, Yuehu Park is a modern, open, and iconic urban landscape park covering around 67 hectares. Centered around the theme of water, the park's design emphasizes innovation, cultural depth, and ecological harmony. It reflects the evolving urban functions of the area, while highlighting ecological leisure, promoting Huxiang culture, and capturing the spirit of the times. Yuehu Park is both a peaceful retreat into nature and a lively public space for recreation. A place where people can either relax quietly or enjoy outdoor fun with family and friends.